Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. I'm showing you this dresser one more time. Earlier, I've covered this along with the bedroom, but I wanted to really show this separately because the kind of work that is being done in this one can very simply define arson. This one unit can define arson easily because it has got so much work to do, and along with the carving is our forte, as you know. Not just carving part, but the overall completion, overall setup of the unit in itself is required a lot of setup and settings and the master artisan work that I always talk about. Here I like to focus on one thing: the handwork we are doing. See, making something by machines, I can put 100 machines and get the work done. But the real pleasure is when we are doing this work, we are providing work to people, and not just one. We are providing work to hundreds and hundreds of people, and not just carving people, but the carpenters who fit the unit, the painters who make the unit, before the painters, the labor guys. And these people are unskilled labor who don't know much what to do. They don't have special skills, but they require work for their families, and that's the major chunk of people that get work while we make these units. If I talk about the finishing part only, I believe at least 20 unskilled people have worked on this unit at different parts, and then the skilled artisans and their people separately. So 30 to 40 different people are involved to get one unit done. So you can imagine one order of this unit has given work to 40 people, and then you have packing people, transport guys, other a lot of people involved. So much work is generated by a single unit in our industry, and that's the beauty of our work. The carving work you see here, you may have seen in some movies or in news, some documentaries that has come from outside India. But when you go deep and look at the work, you will realize how hard it is to get something like this done. The basic point is you cannot get such a big piece of wood. Now, to make this one frame, you cannot have such big wood because trees are not that wide. So there are separate parts, this piece, then that piece. So separate parts are joined together, and once you join separate parts, how beautifully everything comes out. That's the art of a master artisan, and that's the kind of artisan we have. Now you can imagine when you have people that high skilled and you are giving more work to those people, they will give further their knowledge to more people, they will train more people, and will have more skilled people in the market. How beautifully and nicely your one order can give extended work. Unskilled people are always required because there are things that skilled people cannot do. In fact, that's not their domain. But you are generating work for skilled as well unskilled workforce and contributing to economy. So here we are generating more work for the people, for the local people, and lot of ancillary industries, lot of ancillary uh, people who require more work to be added along with this artisan industry. The work in itself is speaking. Everything that you're looking at here, the gold leafing and the dual shade, everything that requires mastery, obviously, for the paint guys and other people who do all the work. But this kind of work we are doing and delivering across the globe. So we are helping local people, we are promoting our art, generating foreign currency in India. So your orders are helping everywhere. Here, I request you, if you like our work, please share with people. Please let them know because we alone cannot do it. We require your help to promote our work, and this local artisan work. Hope you consider my request. Thank you. Dhanyavad.